Welcome. In this video I will show you how to disable touchscreen on your LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So as you can see, my touchscreen is working right now, and if I want to disable it, I'll have to open the start menu, then type in device and select the device manager option. Now right here you have to search for the human interface devices, expand this tab and select the HID compliant touchscreen. Right click on it and select disable device and confirm. And right now if I try to use touchscreen, it doesn't respond because we have just disabled. Now if you want to enable it, just right click on it and click enable device, and you'll be able to use your touchscreen again. And I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.